Guys, it is Joseph the Natural Kolak. We have just finished the workout, shoulder straps, abs. How are you? Let me tell you something about me. 6 months ago when I started, my body fat was maybe 20, I don't know. And the guy in the gym told me, you will never get shredded, you will never get some muscles. You need some special workouts for you because your genetics are so fucking awful. I was, what the fuck he talking about me? After few minutes, I look at his in his eyes and told him, fuck that, bro. I don't need to listen to your shit. I don't need fucking genetics. I have vision in my head. I believe in myself. I will achieve anything if I want. If I want to be fucking president, I will be, but I don't want that shit. And what I want to tell you, 6 months later, now, let me show you. I am at 7, maybe 6.5% of my body fat. I'm getting ready for my first show in October. You need to believe in yourself. Fuck the haters. Fuck your friends if don't trust you, if don't believe in your vision. Keep moving forward. And I am willing to die to live my dream and to be successful. And I'm gonna achieve it. So, if you support me, I will support you. Thank you and I love you. Bye bye.